Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Capital One Auto Finance customer service. First, you need to open any of the web browser. And in the top, there is address bar. You need to type down capitalone.com and enter it. And once inside this homepage of Capital One, you need to scroll all the way to the bottom here. And under the support icon, there is contact us. Select that. And from the contact us, you can scroll a bit down. So from here, you can find this auto financing here. Select that. And from the auto financing, if you have any issue with the existing auto loan customer and new and used vehicle financing applicants or any of the mentioned here, you can simply dial to this number beside here, which is available from Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. ET and Saturday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. ET. Automated services are available 24 hours a day. And before contacting the support, make sure you have a Capital One Auto Finance account information ready for verification and never share your password or security codes. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.